Hey there, congratulations on making the decision to learn about financial literacy and, of course, the Envision You app. Before we proceed, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Sylvia Ayo, and I am a full-time digital entrepreneur. I've been in this space for the last 5 years, and I must say it's been the best 5 years of my life. Before this, I was working a job. I was working in the bank. I worked there for about a year and 6 months, and I was able to retire myself. Since then, I have never had to work a job again in my life, all thanks to the skill that I was able to learn and the decision that I was able to make to become successful. The first thing that you have done is to seek out an information. The second thing that you can do is to be ready to receive the information and stay at it. Be ready to learn, be ready to take in everything that you need to become successful. And with Envision You, what we've built is very, very simple. And one thing about me, I love what is beginner friendly. I love anything that would help a new person, someone who has absolutely no idea about what they're doing, anything that could help them start on the right note. That's what I'm always all about. So, what you are going to be seeing is very, very beginner friendly. Don't worry if you've never done this before. Maybe right now you're like, this is my first time. I've never done this before, Sylvia. How am I going to start? Don't worry. 5 years ago, I was in that same space. I was clueless, but I was able to learn. And of course, today, I know everything that I know. So I'm going to show you how the app works, how you can get started with the app, and everything that the app has to offer, everything that Envision You has to offer when it comes to financial literacy. Trust me, you would absolutely be blown away by what this app is able to do. I'm sure you don't have, or maybe you don't have an app that is this good on your phone, an app that could help you make money on the go. That's exactly what Envision You has built. All right. So I'm going to go ahead right now, share my screen with you. I'm going to show you how the app works. I'm also going to give you some testimonials from people who are already using the app. All right. So you really want to pay attention to everything that I'm going to be talking about. The goal for us here is to move you from being an employee, self-employed, to becoming an investor, right? Most of the successful people that we have today, they are investors. They are yeah, big investors. So you really want to understand how you can move from just being an employee. Of course, you can be an employee. There's nothing wrong with being an employee, but how can you move from just being an employee, having one stream of income? Maybe you're a student, maybe you have a business, but you really want to diversify. You really want to have something that is more hands-free. Then you really want to pay attention to this. All right. So within Envision You, we have created a digital learning platform. Here, you're going to be learning everything you need to know about the financial markets, all right? You're going to learn about money, how to leverage on the financial market to be able to make money for yourself on a day-to-day basis, all right? So, you guys know that financial literacy has evolved. It's not just about, making money right now. It's also how you can multiply your money. So whatever it is that you earn right now, how can you multiply it? For me, that's really where the financial market comes into play. All right. So, what is forex? Forex is simply the exchange of different currencies, exchanging naira for dollar, dollar for naira, dollar for pounds, pounds for dollar. The way we exchange money every single day. That's really what the forex market is all about. Just exchanging currencies, right? And now we can now do this through our phones. Guys, this is what the banks do. The banks, engage in foreign exchange. They make money from it as well. And you also go to the bank, you engage in foreign exchange. So this is something that we do every single day. Now, the question is, how can I make money off of this? That's why you're on this call. All right. That's why you're listening to this right now. Cryptocurrencies as well. We've been hearing about Bitcoin since most people didn't even believe in Bitcoin, but right now, guys, Bitcoin now has a very, very good backing. That means people can actually now invest. Companies can now allow people to invest in cryptocurrencies, and this is already backed up, right? Unlike before, where it was just open, people didn't even really believe in it. Right now, companies can actually allow individuals like you and I to invest in cryptocurrency. Just the way we buy stocks from companies, you can actually now buy a portion of Bitcoin from a reputable company. All right. So now if you had any bias around cryptocurrencies, you don't want to right now because of the new the new thing that has happened with Bitcoin. All right. So cryptocurrencies are basically like fiat money, something like fiat money, you know, kind of like replacing paper money, which is, dollar, pounds, naira, etc. Right? So you also can trade cryptocurrencies. You could trade Bitcoin, you could trade Ethereum, and you could make money off of that, all right? Because the prices are always changing. What are we doing in the forex market? We are taking advantage of prices as they change every single day. If you are in Nigeria, you already see that dollar is going up today, it's coming down, it's going up, it's coming down, all of that is going on. How can you make money from that? That's what the foreign exchange market is really all about. So within Envision You, you are going to be learning how to do it. Like I said earlier, you don't have to bother your head around if you know it or if you don't know it, if you've ever done it before or if you've never done it before. Come with the mindset of, I want to learn. I'm open to learning. And Envision is going to provide you with everything you need to know from the basic level to the advanced level. I'm going to be showing you what our education looks like. Listen, guys, you basically have access to learn from the scratch, all right? So this is basically what the Envision You education looks like. You're going to be learning from the beginner level, all right? So as basic as what is forex, what is traded in the foreign exchange market. So you have all of these short videos. Once you watch the videos, you click on complete, it unlocks the next video. All right. So every day you can dedicate, few minutes, watch 5 to 10 videos. They're very short, guys. This is 8 minutes. Some of them are like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So you could watch the videos. Once you're done with the beginner session, it will take you to the intermediate session. And of course, once you're done with that as well, you can now move to advanced. So you're going to be learning and growing. Everything you need to know is here. Now, another thing you're going to have access to is live sessions. That means you are going to be learning from experts live every single day. Every single day. They're going to be looking at the market and telling you how the market is moving, what you need to do. So you're going to be learning from an expert live every single day. I think that's the highlight for me. All right. So that's basically the education part of Envision You. But listen, guys, the juiciest part of it is the app. That's the juiciest part of it. The app is the juiciest. Everyone right now is going crazy about this app. People are asking questions. Sylvia, how does this work? How, this app is so good. I see what it's doing, but I don't know how to use it. First things first, download this app right now. Download this app right now. If you don't have it on your phone, download it right now. I'm going to be showing you guys how the app works and, how easy this is. You don't have to be an expert to be able to use this app. It is very, very, very simple. Very, very, very simple. So once you've downloaded the app, you might not be able to sign in because, of course, you're not subscribed to it, but I'll show you guys how easy it is to place a trade on this app on the go. Like I said, you don't have to be an expert. So that means within your very first week of, being part of Envision You, you can actually start trading because you are going to be leveraging off of the expert. You do not have to be an expert yourself. All right. Don't worry, you're learning to be an expert, but I'm saying that if you this is a learn and earn platform. So that means within your very first week, your second week, you're actually supposed to start trading just with the app. All right. It's very, very simple. So I'm just going to show you guys a video real quick on how you can actually place a trade in less than a minute using this app. And you could do this anywhere in the world and anywhere you are. All right. Okay, so guys, watch this video and see how this app works. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain how this works, just as the video is playing. All right, so let me take you back real quick. So the first things first is you will get an alert on your phone telling you that there is a new trade. All right. You get an alert just the way you get your WhatsApp notification and all of that. You're going to get an alert saying there is a new trade. Once the alert comes in, you click on the trade. So and then you click on instant trade. All right. You choose your risk level, you know, how much you want to risk for that particular trade. You could make that decision yourself. Everything is, you have access to your account, you have access to everything. Everything is dependent on you. So you're going to choose your risk level for that particular trade. And once you choose your risk level, you're going to click on confirm. All right. Once you click on confirm, you can go ahead and place the order. Just swipe through. All right. Just swipe through. And the order is placed. Very easy. This is less than a minute, guys. You have placed the order, right? Now, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when the order has been placed. Now, mind you, you are going to connect your broker to this app. You're going to connect to everything is done on the app. It's literally like a one-stop shop. Everything is done on the app. So you guys, you saw how easy it was to actually place a trade. You did not have to know anything. All you had to do was click and swipe, click and swipe. Very, very easy. All right. I don't have to be a guru to do that. It takes less than a minute. Now, once you open the app, once you place the trade on the app, you're going to see something like this. Give me a second. You're going to see something like this. All right, so this is the app. It's going to show you your active trade. Now, this particular trade was active at the time of this video, and I was already in about $18 profit, right? This is an active trade going on. Now, the trades will automatically close by themselves. So you don't always have to be checking what's going on, what's going on, what's going on. The trades will automatically close once it gets to the target profit area. So I'm going to show you a few trades that have closed this week just from the app. So give me a second. Let me show you that real quick. So this week, these were a few trades that I took. You can see the dates. January 23rd, January 22nd, 19th of January. They don't call trades every single minute. They call quality trades on this app, all right? So these were a few trades that I closed this week. I made $80 on the gold trade. I made over $100 on, trading US dollar versus Canadian dollar and another $60 on gold trade. This app, I call it the gold digger, right? The gold trades called on this app, they're a game changer. So I'm not gonna say much, but I like to call it my gold digger. But basically, guys, I just did this off my phone. I've had a very busy week, and all I had to do was just swipe. I didn't have to analyze anything or do anything. All I had to do was swipe. So that's how easy the app actually is. All right. Now, how do you get started on the app? Now, listen, guys, on the app as well, you can also have access to your education. All right. So the app is everything. It has education. It also has trade ideas. You also can see your current trades. You can see your past trades. Everything is on the app. The app is actually so good. All right. Now, you might be asking yourself this question. How can I get started on the app? What does it take for me to get started on the app? So I'm going to show you guys that real quick. Now, for you to get started on the app, after downloading it, you're going to need to pay $250 for you to get access to this. If you're watching this video and you are in Nigeria, based on the current exchange rate, it is about $296, 296,000 naira. But, based on the exchange rate, that's why it's like that. But the value in dollars is $250. This will give you access for 1 month. Listen, guys, we've seen people coming in their very first month. They've done absolutely well, and they do not mind subscribing the next month. They do not mind, gaining access to this the next month. So this is a question for you. If you get started today and you started learning this, you started trading and you made good money your first month, would you have a problem with paying the next month? Absolutely not. It's just like your DSTV. You watch football, you watch movies, you enjoy the service, and the next month you pay your subscription. Now, this is different because now this is money app, right? This is I like to call it that, the money app. You have access to an app that is helping you learn a skill and is also helping you make money. I don't think you have a problem with paying the next month's subscription, all right? So that's exactly what this app is all about. Listen, guys, people are going crazy about this app right now. I'm just going to show you a few people who have said one or two things about the app. I have a lot of them, but I was able to just get just a few, I think this morning. And I said I was going to share on here. So give me a minute. Let me find that. Okay. So this, we have a group chat actually. So once you get started, you're also going to be added to a group chat where you have other people that are part of the team, other people that are using the app, other people that are learning just like yourself. So you have like a community of, like-minded individuals learning the skill set and also growing. On the group as well, we have trainings, it's a really, really active group chat and you're going to love it there. All right. So once you get started, we're going to add you to the group chat immediately. Now, this person said that the trade came in and he made 310 pounds, in few days. All right. So guys, this is from the app. This is from the app. He gave a breakdown. He took the gold trade. Like I told you guys, this app is, we call it the ultimate gold digger, right? So when it comes to gold, we do not play about taking gold trades from the app. Okay. Now let me see if I can find another one. I literally could not. Okay, this is another one. All right. So this person took the gold trade as well, and he made about $58. He said risk management is a must. All right. So here we teach risk management as well. So this is not a get rich quick scheme overnight. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme or get rich overnight scheme. It takes time, and you're going to also have to apply proper risk management. Okay. So I was not able to, take screenshots from the group chat for so many, but those were the few that I was able to get. Okay, I think I have another one here. All right, so this person said, on my birthday, app is on fire. Listen, guys, like I said, you could be shopping, you could be doing anything, and once the trade idea comes in, swipe, less than a minute, go about your day. You don't have to monitor what the app is doing every single second. Let me see if I can find another one from the group chat. Give me 1 second. Okay, I think we have another one here. Okay. Now, this one is a big one. The person said the app is apping and we back to bed. I go done for the day. So this was probably like 8:50. This was 9 a.m. 9 a.m. and someone has made over $400. This is something else. So, I mean, the results are amazing from the app so far. Oh, this is actually gold. You see, guys, this app is what we call the ultimate gold digger. So basically, this is everything you need to know about the app. Once you get started, I will show you how to connect your broker to the app. We're going to help you set up immediately, and you're going to be good to go trading immediately. All right. So here's what you want to do right now. You're not just watching this video because you want to watch it. You want to get started immediately. All right. So just send me a message and let me know that you are ready to get started immediately. I'm going to help you with the enrollment process, and I'm also going to help you set up your account so that you can start using the app to trade immediately. I'm so excited for you. What we built is to help everyone become successful, but you have to make that decision to become successful yourself. All right. So don't waste any time. Text me right now and let me know that you are ready to get started immediately. All right. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope that this was valuable to you. I will see you in my DM. I will see you in my private message. Text me right now and let me know you are ready to get started. You know, invest into yourself. All right. Don't think that the money is too much. You're looking to make this money chicken change. Right. So Send me a message and let's help you get started immediately.